icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hey guys, this is Winky and welcome back to another video on Ccna tutorial. So today we'll see a basic simple networking concept, that is we'll build a simple network that is having two routers and a system, and let's ping them each other and check whether they are working completely fine. So how to configure, we'll see in this video. So I quickly go on to GNS3. I give the project name as a project first, okay, and then I bring this router C7200 to router sign of us, and I'll bring one system. So then to connect this, check this box, that is a connection wire, and place on the PC and click. You'll see the port, Ethernet port. So connect to the fast Ethernet port, and between router you use serial ports, connect them, and then uncheck this box, and then let me turn on this. So meanwhile it takes time to switch on the system. So I will show you the basic modes of a Cisco router. So when I double click on the router, you'll see this command prompt. So before that I will show you what are the modes that are available. So I say disabled right now. So as you can see here, R1 greater than symbol, so this shows that we are in user mode. Cisco router has got four modes, so that is user mode, privilege mode, global mode, as well as specific configuration mode. So these are the four modes. So R1 greater than symbol is in shows that we are in user mode. From here, if you want to go to privilege mode, just give the command enable, so it will go to privilege mode. So from here, if you want to go to the global configuration mode, just type configure terminal. So it will be in configure terminal, that is, you can see here R1 into the bracket config hash, so it shows that we are in the configuration mode. So if you want to enter into specific configuration mode, then enter any of the ports. For example, I say here interface fast Ethernet port 1/0. So oops, so I say 0/0. Yes, you can see here R1 into the bracket config if. This shows that we are in the specific configuration mode. So if you want to come out of this any mode to the privilege mode, use the command end. Or if you want to come out of the mode by step by step, that is, if you want to come out from specific to global, then global to privilege, then use exit. So now I will say end, so it will be in the privilege mode. If you want to go to the user mode, you use the command disable. This will make you go through user mode. So now I will go to privilege mode. I will enable this, say enter, and Cisco routers has got auto filling command. If I want to disable, say for using a disable command, I need to just type dis and then press tab, so it will take automatically take the command, that is disable. Just type dis a, you'll see the disable command. If you want to know the command, say for example, which are the commands that start with D, you don't know what exactly the spelling, or you forgot the spelling, just type anything and then press shift question mark. You will see what are the command available starting with these letters. Say for example dis, it has got two commands, one is disconnect, one is disable. I don't know what is disconnect, we'll see in the later classes, but right now we will configure this network. So what I will do is so we will place this system with IP address 10.10, and This port will mention as a 10.1, that is 10.0.0.1, and this port IP address will be 10.0.0.2. You can give anything, you can give any IP address you want, but right now I'm giving this. So this is the IP address what I'm giving. So this will be 20.0.0.2. So I think the system is switched on now. We'll press Control Delta 8, then go here, and to give IP address as 10.10 for this reference PC, as you can see here. So go to the My Network place, right click here. I did all these steps earlier in the previous video. If you want to know how to on this, make on this, you can check my in the video. Right now I'm showing just how to give the the IP address. So here you'll see use the following IP address. So this is 10.10, no way. So what is the gateway? Also default gateway is this one, so I will give as 10.1. Okay, I will save the settings, close it. So coming on to the router part, so we are in the privilege mode. I just say configure terminal. As you can see, then press enter. So it will be in the configure terminal mode. That is, you will be in the global configuration mode. And now, so which is this port connected to? You should know this is the fast Ethernet port 0/1/0. Sorry. So what is the IP address we are giving? 10.2. So say interface fast Ethernet 1/0, then say enter. Oops, it's 0/0, I think. Okay, 0/0. If you want, you can check here. You just minimize this and place the cursor over the router. You will see what are the ports to which they are connected. For example, you can see over here fast Ethernet 0/0 is connected to reference, and serial port 1/0 is connected to the router R2. Okay, so I'll bring back this. So interface of fast Ethernet 0/0, then you say IP address. So what is the IP address you want to give? 10.2, 10.0.0.2. So subnetting mask for this will be, right now you type this one 25.0.0. So what is subnetting address? So what are IP address classified? How are they classified? We'll see in the later class. So you say this, and this is the command no shutdown. So this command you need to use for the first time, because this terminal will be shut off. That is, it will be in the off state, even though it's showing a green symbol, which indicates that it is in the on position, but use once so that it will be in the on position. When you use the no shutdown, see, as you can see, link up down is change state to up. So up, it was down, now it is changed to up. So when you use this, so you have configured fast Ethernet 0/0 with 10.2. So from here I say exit. So once again we are in the specific configuration mode. Now say interface serial 1/0 port, then say IP address. So what is the IP address? Serial port 1/0, as you can see 20.1. so give that. So with the subnetting mask, so right now you use the subnetting mask this only. I will tell you in the next immediate tutorial what is subnetting address, how to use them, and how IP addresses are classified. So And what is the command? No shutdown. So if you use this no shutdown, you will see immediately an update, that is its state has been changed to up. So now say end here and close this. So we need, now coming on to the R2 router. So R2 router, I say config router, sorry, config terminal. I say config terminal. I say interface serial 1/0 with the IP address. So what is the IP address here? 20.2. So 20.2. With the subnetting mask. So I say no shutdown here. So this is a 20 network, as you can see. I'll bring it here. So if I'm connecting anything here, you can give it 30 network. Right now I'm using only doing with this, so I will remove this. So this is the 20 network, this is the 10 network. So it's done. Now we'll ping. So open this. In the privilege mode, you go ping and give any of the address. For example, if I say 20.2, so as you can see the exclamatory marks, 5 exclamatory marks, sending 500 byte ICMP echoes to 20.2. so it has been sent and it's been successfully pinged. So you can ping or say 10.10. Let me ping 10.10. ping 10.10. So I think it will take some time. So the first dot shows the error, that is the packet is not sent to it. One packet out of 5, as you can see over here, only 4 out of 5 is sent. So this happens sometimes because the delay is due to the iOS image in the PC, in the router. This delay is concerned with that because it takes time, little bit of time to load the iOS image. If I try to ping it once again, so it will be a success one. From PC also you can ping. I will just show you how to ping from the PC. So now if you want to ping from the PC, go to the PC or the system and then say cd backslash and then say enter and then say ping. Suppose I say 10.2. so as you can see, pinging 10.2 with 32 bytes of data, and reply from 10.2 is also obtained. So as you can see here, packet sent 4, packet received 4, lost is 0, success rate is 100%. So this is how the basic configuration of the router can be done. So we will see more configuration, that is the static routing and many other protocols, that is a RIP protocol, EGIP, OSPF, many other protocols day by day or video by video. So that's it for today, a basic networking that is consisting of 2 routers and a PC. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.